guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Desireeiyorah. I am a lifestyle vlogger. If this isn't your first time, thanks for coming back. For all of you viewing this video right now, please make sure to subscribe to this channel so you can see more of me and click the notification bell so that whenever I have a new video up, you guys will see it. So like last weekend I had a conversation with a couple of my friends, and we're talking about how to like make a pass at someone and how to know like when a person is failing you and all of that. And me, I was of the opinion, personally, I like to have full on straight up conversations. Do you like me? If you like me, let me know so I can let you know if I like you too. Everybody say what's on their mind. Talk your own, I talk my own. But then a lot of them were talking about how they kind of work with signs and like hints and vibes and all of that, which for a lot of people that's how it works. You kind of want to like feel them up to know if they like you or not. So in light of that, I decided to share some tips to know when a person actually likes you, to know when a person is actually into you, actually wants to be with you, actually feeling you, actually swimming in your sauce, you know, to know when all of that is going on, so that you know how to move forward, so that nobody will go and, you know, jambla talk and embarrass yourself. So I'm gonna go straight into the video with my 10 tips. Tip number 1, he or she hardly ever picks your calls. They don't pick when you call, and when they do call, they're always busy. That's when you hear, don't be angry, I have to go and wipe the board. Don't be angry, I have to go and close the microwave. Please, no vex, so let me go and stop the rain from falling. That's when they are busy. That's when they always have something to do whenever you call. So they never call you, they barely pick your calls. And then when you actually do call, after like 3 seconds in, they're like, nope, and then they always have something to do. So I mean, once in a while it happens. There are some times that a person will call you and you know this person is actually busy. But then if it's all the time, come on, you're not solving world hunger and fighting for world peace, so can't be that busy, you know. Tip number 2, this person only calls or texts you when they need something. So they don't call you, they don't text you, they don't try to talk to you, they're not like, they don't keep in contact, in touch with you. But when they call you, it is because, oh please, I need someone to take me to the airport tomorrow. I heard you're a PR specialist, could you help me do this? Oh, could you do this for me? Oh, can I borrow your car? Then the person is not agreed. People can ask for help, people can need you to help them with stuff, but when it is now like that is the only time they reach out to you, exit, cancel it, cut it. You are not going to do such, you're not going to indulge in such. Okay. Tip number 3, this one is my personal, everybody told me that, oh, it's not that deep. This one is deep to me. If they don't send you videos and memes and funny stuff on Instagram or Twitter or whatever social media that both of you are on, there's a problem. My cousin was saying, oh, what if he doesn't use social media? Fine, if they don't use, it's different. But if you're active on social media, meaning you are seeing these funny videos, you saw it, you laughed, I will now see you commented LMAO in the comment section. But me, you didn't send it to me to laugh. Don't I deserve to laugh? Don't I deserve to also be like, don't we deserve to have like jokes together? I mean, I think it's very important. If they don't send you memes and funny videos and like just stuff they find interesting on social media for you to see as well, I think that's another form of sharing. That's another form of like bonding, to be very honest. That's what I think. The 4th tip, they never try to touch you. They never try to make any form of physical contact with you. I don't mean try to kiss you, try to relax you, try to put babies in you. No, just like basic physical contact. Like they don't like laugh and put their hand on your thigh, they don't try to touch your shoulder, they don't try in any way to have any form of physical contact with you at all. That's a red flag. I mean, it might not be for some, but I think it's a huge red flag. It mustn't even be like the most sexual touch, it mustn't be a sexual touch, but just physical contact. Just try to touch you when they're talking to you, laugh, hold hands or something. If they don't try it at all, like they never attempted it, when you do it, they kind of even like, don't do that. I don't believe in that. That's some bull crap right there. 5th point, they don't introduce you to their friends. This is very important, you guys. So you're a secret. You're something that happens in the dark. They don't introduce you to their friends. Their friends that you have now met, none of them have ever mentioned, oh, I've heard of you before. He has met all your friends. She has met all your friends. She knows your family. He knows your whole family. But you have never met anybody from their circle, his circle or her circle. Something is a bit off. Unless he has just one friend, let him show you that one friend. You need to meet someone. You need to know about this person's other life outside of you guys' bubble, you know. 6 points. Never tries to indulge in deep conversations with you. Never tries to like understand you more. It's always the surface questions. What food do you like to eat? What secondary school did you go to? Oh, what color of hair do you like? Like, they never try to engage with you. Never try to like, you know, find out more, have deeper conversations, get to know each other in total. They never do that. Then they're not necessarily interested. They're there for something, and they don't really care too much for who you are and what it is you're about. So, red flag. 7th point, they never offer to pay for stuff. Now, this isn't because it's not really about money. It's not about money, right? But then if you like somebody, you have this pressing need to take care of them. Guy, girl, if you're a person that likes another person, you will have that need. You will feel it. You will want to, let me do something nice for this guy. Let me do something nice for this girl. 8th point, this person doesn't want to be seen out with you. You guys don't go outside cinema at 11 p.m. It's either the cinema at 11 p.m. or his house or your house or her house. Like, you guys don't go anywhere that other people would see you. If you're going to get food, you're going to get fast food Chinese and sit down in the car and eat it. The 9th point, you guys will never go out on actual dates, or this person has never offered to take you out on an actual date. If not take you, this person has never offered for you guys to go out on an actual date. Nothing fancy, nothing nice, no dinner, no going to places that, you know, show the other person's interest. So for instance, she's into arts and crafts. She has never said, oh, let's go to a museum tomorrow. He's into poems. He has never said, let's go to like a spoken word event or something. It's only a film people used to go and watch. You watch film, you buy pizza, you buy ice cream, you buy shawarma. That's it. Autant. And when I'm saying fancy dates, I don't mean you must go to like the most expensive restaurant for dinner all dressed up. No, I mean going to places that shows the interest of the both of you. Going to places where after that date, one person will know more about the other person at the end of the date. 10th and final point. This one is very, very important. If a person can go 3 or more days without speaking to you and is nothing to them, this person does not rate you. This person doesn't actually want you in their life. You're just there. You're filling a space. Cool. Thanks for being here. Person doesn't want you. There was even an argument on Twitter a couple of weeks ago. People were saying how, oh, people can be busy. It's possible not to speak to your significant other for 5 days, for 6 days. Rara, it's not possible. Even if you're not having full conversations for the whole day, at a point in the day you say, hey babe, I'm busy today. I have a meeting, I have a presentation, I have this going on, I have to study, I have to do this, I have to do that. We'll talk later. So if this person likes you, so this isn't your significant other yet, but this person likes you, this person wants to build something with you, this person wants to move forward with you, the person will try to speak to you. Because this is the beginning, let me not say every day, but every other day. Every other day there will be some form of conversation. You will say something, you will give the person something to hold on to till the next conversation. You wouldn't just ghost that person for 5 days, for 4 days, for 1 week, for 2 weeks, and come on the 15th day and say hi boo. It doesn't work like that. So if a person isn't, you know, in constant communication with you, the person doesn't really give 2 fucks. I'm sorry, that's what it is. So yeah, those are my 10 points. Those are my 10 little tips to know. So when you want to move forward with the person, or you want to let a person know how you feel, you want to let that guy know that, oh baby, I'm feeling you. I want to let that girl know that, oh, I want you to be my woman, and you're not sure. You don't want to ask, because like people say, people don't like to ask. Me, I believe, ask. Don't be scared of the what are we question. What are we? Yes, it's a very valid question. Let everybody know what everybody's doing. Ask that question. Oh yeah, if you don't want to ask the what are we, do you like me question, fine. Just look out for these things to see if this person really and truly is open to being with you. So if out of these 10 points, the person you like or the person you're hoping likes you is doing 5 of this, is doing 4 of this. Honestly, I feel like the cutoff mark is 3. If they are doing 3 out of these 10, maybe something's a bit off, so you need to check that out. Anyways, hope you guys learned 1 or 2 from this quick video that I have rushed to do because it just entered my head and I'm like, today I must do this because I've been procrastinating due to not feeling my best. I hope you guys, you know, will take some of these tips and find that lady or that guy that is scum and cut them out of your life because they don't deserve to be there. Let me know if you guys have other points, other things that make you know that this person is not just that into you, in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please make sure to like the video. If you've gotten to this point and you've not subscribed, why? You might as well. So please subscribe to this channel, click the notification bell so that you see every single time I post a video. Like this video, share it if you can, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend to come check out Desireeiyorah's channel on YouTube. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.